So, today we will be learning about fractions. Could you please put this apron on? And we will be using various different foods to teach about fractions today. First, we're going to read the book Eating Fractions by Bruce McMillan. Well, we're going to watch it.
Whole, or one. One half, one half. Halves. One half, one half. Whole, one. Thirds. One third, one third, one third. Whole, one.
I'm going to try to reduce this glare a little.
Fourths. One fourth, one fourth, one fourth, one fourth. Whole, one.
There's just going to be a glare. That's cool.
Halves. One half, one half. Whole, one. Thirds. One third, one third, one third. Whole, one. Fourths. One fourth, one fourth, one fourth, one fourth. Uh-oh. End.
Okay, so now that we've read the book about wholes, halves, and thirds, can you take this fraction wheel and show me on the fraction wheel what a half is?
Maybe.
Very good. We are also going to learn about fourths today. Fourths are a half of a whole. So see how we have a fourth. Okay. Now each piece of a fraction is a piece of a whole. So for instance, this is a whole. Let me fix this fraction real quick. This is a whole. This is a half. So see, it is a piece of the whole fraction. And then this is a fourth, another piece of the whole fraction. And then they can go even smaller into eighths. Like this. It's an eighth of a whole. Now we have another whole where we can show that this is a fifth. and that this is a tenth. So if you can split the circle into a number of equal parts, one part is the fraction. For instance, if I split a circle into thirds, then there are 3 pieces, and 1 piece is 1/3. Or if I split it into 6, there are 6 pieces, and 1 piece is 1/6. And you all the way down to 1/12. Now, we will use an apple to demonstrate. So, if I want this apple to be into halves, how many pieces do I cut it into?
2.
Correct. Now, if I want the apple to be cut into fourths, how many pieces do I cut each half into?
You would cut it down the middle.
Alright, you don't have to act like a first grader.
It works.
And now we have the apple cut into fourths, which means it has how many pieces?
4.
4. Correct. Very good. And then we can cut it even smaller into sixths. Okay, let's try to cut this apple without cutting my hand open. Yes, it will be 8s. Correct. Even teachers make mistakes sometimes. All right. Now, do you want to make your own fractions?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So here is a cookie. Here is a cookie. A cookie. So we don't touch the cookie until teacher says to touch the cookie. Okay. So let me. Okay. So if I asked you to cut the cookie into thirds, how many pieces will there be?
3.
Okay, now cut the cookie into thirds.
I'll do my best.
Okay. And if I want you to cut it into 6, how many pieces of cookie will there be?
6.
Now cut it into sixths. Okay. Awesome. So we're just gonna